What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on my 3rd generation Honda Fit. We're pretty much in a monsoon. I'm only going about 55 to 60 because it's really hard to see. I have my brights on. Turn my big lights on. It looks ridiculous. Now, I previously replaced my passenger side blade with a Rain-X Latitude wiper blade, and I was quite impressed with how well it performed. It doesn't have as sleek as a look as the OEM wiper blade, but it still looks better than some of the other ones that are out there on the market. The Rain-X Latitude wiper blade has been on my car for over a year and a half now, and it's still performing quite well. But for today's video purposes, I will be replacing both wiper blades. To install the new blade, we'll need to remove the old one first. To do this, lift up the wiper blade arm and turn the blade horizontally to gain access to the release clip. Push the clip outwards towards the blade with your thumb, return the wiper blade to the vertical position, and then pull downward. It's just that easy. To install the new Rain-X wiper blade, open up the locking tab first.
Due to the tight design needed to secure the blade to the vehicle, opening may require a little force.
Next, slide the blade upward onto the J-hook until it locks into place. With the blade into position, press down and secure the locking tab. You should hear a noticeable click when it has been secured. Give the blade a quick little pull to make sure it's firmly attached. And now with the new wiper blade fully installed, we can now remove the yellow protective strip and prime the windshield area. To prime your windshield, wipe it clean and dry, and then run the wipers dry at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. After a few minutes have passed, spray your washer fluid, watch the water bead up, and enjoy your nice clean windows. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
All right, let's install the passenger side wiper blade. Now, I already had this replaced with an aftermarket wiper blade, so I took the old blade from the driver's side and installed it on the passenger side. This way I can still give you a nice POV. Lift it up. Here's that tab you want to pull outward and then pull down, just like that. Yeah. Pull out our new wiper blade. Remove our strip here, and don't have my little tool. Might need a little flathead to pop open this door. My fingers are not strong enough. Slide that on like so. Click it in, shut the door. That's it. Wiper blades installed.